Using Booking.com credit is a straightforward process that allows you to save money on your accommodations when booking through the platform. To start, you need to have a Booking.com account and have earned credit through various means such as referrals, cancellations, or other promotional offers. First, log into your Booking.com account and navigate to the homepage. From there, click on your profile picture or name at the top right corner of the page to access your account. Dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find a section labeled as Credit, which displays the total amount of credit you have available. Next, search for a hotel or accommodation that you wish to book. Using the search bar at the top of the page, enter your destination, travel dates, and number of guests, and click on the search button. Browse through the search results to find a suitable accommodation that meets your needs. Once you have selected a hotel, click on the booking page to review the details of your reservation. On the booking page, you will find a section that says Apply Credit, where you can choose to use your available credit towards your booking. Simply check the box to apply your credit, and the amount will be deducted from the total cost of your booking. It is essential to note that Booking.com credit can only be used for bookings made through the platform, and it cannot be transferred or redeemed for cash. Additionally, credit is usually valid for a specific period, so make sure to use it before it expires. To maximize the value of your Booking.com credit, it is recommended to book accommodations that offer free cancellation, in case you need to make changes to your travel plans. You can also use your credit to book more luxurious hotels or rooms that you may not have been able to afford otherwise. In summary, using Booking.com credit is a simple and convenient way to save money on your accommodations. By following these steps and being mindful of the terms and conditions, you can make the most out of your credit and enjoy a more affordable and enjoyable travel experience.